What is up everyone? My name is Ronny. Welcome to our channel. This is the right place for you if you want to learn how to design with Canva. Today, we are going to talk about inspiration, where to find good ideas, where to find inspiration, who to follow on Instagram to constantly have this fresh batch of ideas coming your way and feeling really inspired when you're using Canva. I've been keeping an eye out on Instagram, and I've also been kind of keeping an eye out in the Facebook group in our community to see who were the up and coming Canva artists and Canva designers that were sharing their designs there. And I found some really good hidden gems just waiting for you to discover. And because I love the community and I really want to do my best to help you guys, I want to give today 3 shout out in this video. We are going to talk about 3 people who are doing it wonderfully well on Instagram, educating people about Canva, but also bringing up fresh ideas into the Canva game. So without further ado, we are going to jump into Instagram. I'm going to be showing their profile, and by all means give them a follow. This will really help them in their effort. These guys are struggling hard. I remember the beginnings where we had not many followers. It was hard to just get there, get this visibility, get the ball rolling. So I would like our community to be helping other Canva communities and other Canva creators. So give them a follow, check out their work, tell them you come from the Ronny team channel, and let's spread the Canva love. The first creator I want to talk about is Good Heart VA. So I believe his name is Simon, and I have had the chance to chat with him briefly this weekend, and he's a really cool creator from the Philippines. So his profile says, Simon VA Canva Warrior. I help coaches and biz owners who are overwhelmed with tasks thrive in their business using my strong VA and Canva skills. So you can check out his link tree here. There's a bunch of things here. He has a bunch of highlights as well, but what I am really interested about is the work that Simon is doing. So if you want to follow him, Good Heart VA, we will link to the 3 profiles we are talking about today in the description of this video. So by all means, support these artists, support these creators, they deserve it. And you won't be disappointed because he's sharing a ton of value on a regular basis. So all of his posts here are kind of showing you some interesting Canva techniques. You see here a gold effect, double exposure effect, sticker effects. I've been watching most of these tutorials and they are very good, very creative. Simon is a very talented creator. For example, he kind of revisits the realistic glow technique to make it pop even stronger, even brighter. So this is kind of amazing. And so you can see he is really generous about sharing his knowledge. He will give you all the steps, but also show you some of the final results. I really like the way he illustrates all of the tutorials that he describes, and he has a very good eye for design. So this was his post about realistic glow. I really liked the gold effect right here. Very interesting as well. You see how you can turn yourself or anyone really into gold. Again, he explains it. There's tutorials here to learn how to do it. Very complete tutorials so that you can learn how to reproduce these techniques. So that is the first creator I wanted to introduce to you guys. All right, the second person I would like to introduce to you is Hina Sheikh. So Hina is a creator, I believe from India, though I have not been completely certain about this. And she's also creating wonderful Canva designs. So her feed here is super consistent. I love how she keeps everything in the pink tones with the consistent font, the consistent colors and style. So she's a really good example of what brand consistency should look like. So just this is worth a visit to her Instagram. So her Instagram is the Hina Sheikh. So Sheikh is spelled S-H-E-I-K-H and Hina is spelled H-E-E-N-A. So the Hina Sheikh. I will also link her account in the description below so you guys can follow her. So what she does, she's a trainer. So she has and organizes live Canva trainings. These are pretty affordable. So if you are interested in maybe learning with Hina, check out the link in her bio right here. And what she does is really kind of same as a Simon. She gives free Canva tutorials on her Instagram right here. So for example, headline analyzer for free, check color contrast, 5 Canva elements, part 5. So she speaks about different elements that you can find and how to find them. For example, these 3D rendering, Happy Smart 3D Human. So a bunch of resources. She's more into sharing resources than really about specific tutorials. I have seen less tutorial and more about like the fonts that she prefers, the elements, or some Canva tips and hacks. So Hina is my second creator here. I really like what she's doing. I think she's really worth following on Instagram. All right, and this brings me to the third and last creator for today. And that person is Got Sent VA. So she's also a Canva warrior, a lot of Canva warriors in the Philippines. So she says, I help biz owners create content. Follow me for Canva hacks and tutorials. You can DM her, Got Sent VA. I'm not sure if she's related or not to Simon. Maybe she follows Good Heart VA. Maybe they work together. I am not sure. If you guys do, wonderful. You have a nice thing going on here. But what she does is also basically like smart Canva tutorials. The feed is also on point. So really interesting here. I see some of the similar looking tutorials as Simon. So you guys might influence each other's work, inspire each other's work, but this is really what it is about. You know, the Canva community is about somebody discovers something and you want to share it with the world, and then other people will pick it up and elevate it. Other people will just be there to, okay, I learned this technique. How can I include this in my workflow, in my creativity process, so that I can also create and maybe use that to elevate my designs and create even better designs. And also sharing, you know, I think there is no reason for us to be, okay, let's follow me, not them. It's not about this. For me, it's really about there is a community of people out there. A lot of them are doing different things, using different techniques, but all using Canva. And that is what is important to me. If you're using Canva to elevate your design skills, well, that's what I'm about. So let's come back to Got Sent VA here and analyze a few of her tutorials. Which one, for example? Pop out effect, coffee inspired. Let's have a look at this one. Oh yeah, I remember seeing this one in the Canva design circle. So this one is about having some like a phone or a tablet and the elements popping out of it. So she explains how to do it with some photos and some short snippets of text. So a few steps for you to achieve the same results. So the result is pretty cool. It's pretty impressive actually. So again, she is a really good creator to follow. All right, so this tutorial was a short one. I am looking into doing this maybe once a month to share with you, to give 3 shout outs to different creators. We might be alternating the platforms. So next time we might do it on TikTok, we might do it on LinkedIn, we might do it on YouTube, Facebook. There's so many platforms out there where people are just sharing their knowledge about Canva. So let me know if you like this kind of tutorial, if you are inspired. Let me know if you have followed these 3 creators. Just let me know, done, Ronny, and let them know you come from Team Ronny. They will be happy. And like this, we can continue sharing the love with everyone. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.